So if you are looking for a gardening tool or a landscaping tool that's nice and long, so you don't have to bend down and break your back all summer long getting out those weeds, those roots, then you need to check out this garden weed tool the brand sent me. Now, it's super simple to put together. You're screwing the parts together and then you're bolting on this claw head. As you can see, we have this little ditch area here that's got a ton of rocks. This gets overgrown in the summertime with weeds. So I'm going to use this to get some of these hard to pull up rooted plants. Some things I find important about this gardening tool is the fact that it does have a 63-inch long handle on it. It is a dual head and it's got 12 claws. They are very, very sharp and it's no problem for them to cut through roots. And you can see I even came upon some rocks. Also, the head is bolted on with 3 screws, and I find that important because a lot of times the heads can loosen up, and this one does not at all. Okay, so this is the part that's really important to me, that it be able to move rock and get down to those roots. We have a ton of rock, and of course all the weeds want to grow in between them. So as you can see, this did a great job, really got down in there and got those roots, moved a lot of big rocks out of the way for me. These are super strong teeth, all metal. I love the gripping handles. That really makes it where you can get in there and just hang tight. I love the fact you can remove a section in case you want it a little bit shorter, but this thing is nice and durable, really, really strong. So if you're checking this out, I definitely recommend.